Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to show you a very nice makeup design for Valentine's Day. As you can see, I have already did my base. I apply my foundation, my trusty foundation. I have applied True Skin from Catrice. I apply a little bit of blush and I did my eyebrows to save more time, okay? Today I'm going to use this palette, Pillow Talk. It's from Charlotte Tilbury, this one. And I'm going to do like a very subtle romantic makeup. So we are going to start. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to apply this shade all over my lid. I do try to apply it with my fingers. Sometimes it's better to apply with your fingers. Okay, now I'm going to take this one from here and I'm going to take another brush. This brush, I'm going to take this brush. This is from Naked. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. It's amazing, the color is amazing. Now I'm going to take this pencil brush and I'm going to take this color from here. And I'm going to apply it in the corners of my eye. And here. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. On top, I'm going to come back again with this glittery one and try to push it on my lids. As this palette is very shimmery, you're going to have shimmer all over your face. Okay, now I'm going to take this color again, this one from here, which is like a transition color, and try to apply it here. Okay, we almost done. I'm going to clean everything. And now, the fun part. I'm going to use this eyeliner Kajal pencil from Essence. This one. And I'm going to try to do like, you know, an eyeliner. I'm very clear. But with my trusty tattoo liner from Maybelline, I'm going to do the twirling. Because I don't like to have some gaps in my eyelashes. And now, on top of my Kajal pencil, I'm going to apply this Sephora color block liner. This one, it's a very electric blue. The color, you have to be careful because it is waterproof. It will dry out really quick. The shade of this one, the color, it's in the navy. So wish me luck, because this is quite difficult to do it. In case I'm going to be wrong, I'm going to use this pencil brush. I'm going to start with this part.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, there was a part of me that knew that, still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess I dreamed.
I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to take a bit of my concealer and try to smooth my eyeliner. More or less. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And now I would like to use again the Kajal pencil. I'm going to use it here to emphasize a bit. The color, my eye. I'm going to prime my eyelashes with Maximizer 3D Dior Show. This is like a primer for your eyelashes. Okay. I'm going to use the mascara Monsieur Big from Lancôme. My Always and Forever. Now on top I'm going to use this one, I Love Extreme from I'm going to let my lashes to dry out. In the meanwhile, I'm going to use this brow blade from Naked. No, from Urban Decay, sorry. Okay. And I'm going to do my lips. And I'm going to use this Sephora Lip Stain lipstick in the shade 03. I think it's strawberry or something like that. It's a pink. I'm going to take this brush for the lips. I apply lip balm.
Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on
Now I'm going to retouch a bit my lips. Okay, great. Now I'm going to apply some eyelashes, false eyelashes, and I'm using ones from AliExpress. These are very simple. If you want, I can put the link in the description box. I'm going to use these ones. I have already applied my eyelashes after 3 hours. I'm joking, but you have to be patient when you apply your eyelashes. It's quite difficult to do it. I'm going to go with this mascara on top just to put them together. I mean my real lashes with the false lashes. Let's clean a bit all the fallouts. And that's all, guys. This is the final result. I hope that you have enjoyed as much as I did, and I wanted to thank you for watching my videos, and of course not to forget that I have already 100 subscribers, so I'm really proud of myself and really happy, and everything is because of your support. Thank you so much. You can find me on my social media. I'm going to link down on my description box all the details. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in my next video. Goodbye. Bye bye.